I would spend it on donating to Nepal and helping them recover. Or Swiss chocolate.
What would you do with it?
I would give it right back to you.
So if you give this to me today, so I come from India and Swiss franc is very expensive for me. So I would love to, yes. So I would like to really look at all the art galleries and museums in Zurich and Basel.
Is it original? Yeah. I'm just kidding. What would you do? I'll just go around Switzerland. I think it's a very beautiful country.
Would you spend it on?
Probably I would spend it for dinner with a friend of mine, I would say, and to discuss, why not. Maybe a new person I've met during this symposium to discover also his insights and discuss more calmly about our ideas, why not?
Ich würde wahrscheinlich gut essen gehen. Na, reicht nicht ganz in der Schweiz.
Probably some books. Either e-books or books, but it would be books.